Hi Year 9. What we're going to do today for your 10th lesson, this learning plan, we're going to design a poster to advertise Zip World. I would like to list some of the things that you can do there. So last lesson, or the lesson before, I can't remember which one now, we looked at all the different things that were available at Zip World. So the Velocity 2, the Forest Coaster, the carts, the tower, the nets, the bounce below. You've got loads and loads of things to choose from there. So you choose one or two, it's up to you, and decide which one you would like to advertise. Perhaps you could list the opening hours, explain the restrictions if there are any, height restrictions, age restrictions, weight restrictions, and use the structures we have been learning to describe what is on offer. Maybe you want to include some of the opinions of the visitors. Make your poster colourful and informative. You can use PowerPoint, Word or Publisher. You can even do it on paper if you would like and send me a photo of your work. Okay, so Beth, Seed and Zip World. What is in Zip World? Again, last lesson or the one before, I listed with you all the different things that were on offer. So some of the things you can see here in the photos are the bounce below, the nets, the underground adventure, the Velocity 2, the forest coaster, and lots more. I think there were 11 were there in total that we managed to find. So some of the questions you might like to ask are, Beth, gallwch chi wneud? What can you do? Gallwch chi mynd ar? You can go on. And then you could list some of the things that you can go on. Gallwch chi fynd ar Velocity 2? Gallwch chi mynd ar y quarry carts? On the next slides now, 6 and 7, I've included a basic example of the type of poster you could create. So, and there's also a page of useful vocab on slide 8. Please, like I say time and time again, do not use Google Translate because it does not make any sense. So remember, have fun with this one. You could maybe do the quarry carts like I have here. So I've started with Dewch I Zip World. Come to Zip World. And then I've put a picture of the quarry carts there in the centre. And I've said, gallwch chi mynd ar y quarry carts. You can go on the quarry carts. Bydd yn costio. I'm sure you could guess that one. 45 pint am 2 tro. Hyd y trac, 3 kilometre. Well, if you didn't know what hyd y trac meant, now I've given you 3 kilometres. I'm sure you can guess that that means length of the track. Rhaid bod, 15 oed. That rhaid is a command. We've had that quite a few times. You must be 15 years old. Rhaid bod o leiaf 1.3 medr. You must be at least 1.3 metres. Rhaid gwisgo, trousers a siwmper. You must wear jumper and trousers. Another one I did was Velocity 2. I said, Dewch I Velocity 2. And then in the centre there, I've listed all the things about velocity. I've said my Velocity 2 yn gyflym. We've had that one in one of our last lessons. Velocity 2 is fast. My Velocity 2 yn costio. It costs. And now I've listed all the different prices. Penwythnos a gwyliau, 89 pint. Dydd Llun a dydd Gwener, 75 pint. Dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher a dydd Iau, 65 pint. Cyflymder, dros 100 milltir yr awr. Pellter, 1,555 medr. Okay, so there I've listed how much it costs, and you'll notice it's more on the weekends and holidays. Mondays and Fridays are a little bit cheaper, but not much. And Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays are the cheapest of them all. Then I've said here about the speed of the Velocity 2, over 100 miles per hour. And if you completed that Facebook task I gave you a few lessons ago, I would have listed those words, cyflymder and 100 milltir yr awr. Pellter means distance. If you didn't know that one, I'm sure you could have guessed from the distance I've included after that. I've also included here a couple of opinions of the people in the speech bubbles. And I've tried to use the structures that we've learnt this learning plan and throughout Year 9. And also I've tried to include some of the extended reasons that we went over at the start of this topic. So the first bubble in the top left, I've said, dwi'n caru bod tu allan yn yr awyr iach. Roedd teithio ar velocity 2 yn gyffrous ac yn wych, anrheg pen blwydd ardderchog. So I love being outside in the fresh air. Travelling on velocity 2 was exciting and excellent, and it was a wonderful birthday present. And bottom right, dwi wrth fy modd yn teithio ar velocity 2 achos dwi'n mwynhau cael sialens newydd. I enjoy travelling on velocity 2 because I like to have a new challenge. So just two very basic examples. I expect yours to be a lot more colourful with a lot more information. And on the next slide, I've included some very useful information. So I've got down the left days of the week, dates, numbers. In the middle, you've got commands. You've got small words there in the middle too. And on the right-hand side, you've got structures that you might find useful. So go and have some fun with this one. Design a nice colourful poster advertising all the great things about Zip World. Diolch yn fawr blwyddyn nawr. I look forward to seeing your work.